I can just slide out from under the door that way, and now I can swivel it around this direction, okay, and roll it up. It doesn't matter if you got stuff on it. Just kind of move it over. You don't have to take that off because then you've got to sweep that up off the floor. Extra stuff. That could be lots of really gritty from your carpet, depending on how worn your carpet is. You don't want to tip this over if you don't have to, okay? Just roll it up inside this pad. We're going to throw this pad away, or you can call someplace, and sometimes you can find a place that recycles carpet pad and your old carpet. Did you know that? So if you want to go the extra mile, check it out, and maybe your neighborhood has that available to you. Now I'm just getting ready to take this carpet pad out, but as for the carpet, can you recycle carpet? Yes. There are certain areas. You can go and Google it on your internet, see if there's any place close to you that recycles the old carpet. If you feel guilty about throwing it into the dump or something like that, maybe also try to sell it to someone. This carpet pad is actually still in pretty good shape, and if somebody in a pinch needed it and they couldn't afford brand new carpet pad, they probably could use this too. So you could advertise that on Craigslist, you know, for a nominal fee or maybe even free. So there's a few thoughts for you on your carpet and pad. Hey, just something quick. I'm gonna have some water here and I'm putting some stuff in it. This is called 40,000 volts electrolyte concentrate, and it helps boost stamina, energy, and endurance by replacing depleted electrolytes. Also helps prevent muscle cramps. And because I'm sweating a lot doing the work, I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my water, which I already did. I shook this up and just poured just a little bit in there, and I'm good to go. Try it.